If your cup holder grip is broken and has fallen inside, that's supposed to look like that. And if you want to remove the whole center console, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. First, you need to remove the rubber mat that's at the very front of the center console. You can do that by pulling on it. You'll see it has a tiny little piece of rubber bit that sticks out. You should be able to pull it from that. And inside you will find 2 screws. You need to take those off. First, start removing the first and then remove the second. Make sure you place them somewhere safe so you don't lose them. Next, you need to open the center console. Remove the middle tray, and at the very bottom you'll see another rubber mat. You need to lift that out. It's a bit tricky, but use your fingernails, you should be able to lift it up. Once you have removed the rubber mat, you'll see 2 more screws. You need to take these out as well. Once you've finished removing the big screws, if you look carefully, you will notice there are 2 more screws, but they're black and tiny screws, so you need to remove those as well. Once you have removed the black screws, the front cover where the USB port is, you should be able to pop that out. It takes a bit of a wiggle and lift, and you should be able to pull it out completely. When you have loosened the cover, you will be able to see a white connection. You need to disconnect that. You need to press on the sides of that connection and pull it outward, and it should come out easily. When the plug is disconnected, you're not done yet. This cover needs to be placed sideways so you can feed it through the hole, because this cover is still connected to 1 more wire that you will see later. When you disconnect the center console by pulling it, you need to feed that cover through that hole gently so you don't accidentally snap the cable that's attached to it. Start pulling back on the center console, gently but with a little bit of force. Make sure you don't go too hard so you don't break anything, but you will feel it slowly moving. And if you pull hard enough, you'll see it pop back like that. And then once you have popped it back, start feeding that cover slowly back into the hole that you have in there so you can lift up the center console and completely free it. When you have pushed that cover all the way inside, you should be able now to lift the center console by holding it from the front and lifting upward. Here you'll find the white plug that you have disconnected earlier, but inside this grey foam you'll find another blue connection, and this is the one that you need to remove. Once you have disconnected the blue cable, move everything out of the way, and now you should be able to remove the center console from the back seat. Be gentle so you don't scratch anything. And just like that, the center console had been removed. And to put it back, all you have to do is reverse the process, step by step, the same way you took it out.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos from Curiosity, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there and you'll be notified of any new future uploads. Otherwise, if you want to see more of my adventures, you can do that by clicking the videos on the left. And if you want to see any of my DIY projects, you can do that by clicking the videos on the right. So until then, see you next time.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Ah, fuck it!